Hello everybody, this is Miss Metz giving you some information on how you can create a works cited for your research project. We use a great website. You can Google it. It's called EasyBib, and your result will show the first link and you will click on EasyBib. So it's pretty simple to use. You just have to understand what information they are looking for and where to find it. We're going to stick with MLA 8, and then looking at this field here, you see in the blue you already have that it is designated for looking for a website. You also can use a book, and if you're using a book you would just click on the link on the book, the word book here, and you can search by the title of the book, by the ISBN, or the words. We're going to focus on website today. So I'm going to click on that. So you're doing research, and you're doing research on numerous things. And I have a few websites already pulled up to show you how you can pull information. Here's one on George Washington, a simple article on the history of George Washington I found on history.com. This here is called my URL, or my web address bar. Just going down here, it's important before you go starting with EasyBib, when you look at your article, if you examine at the top, at the bottom, I'm scrolling slowly, or on the sides, they might even give you the citation. Makes it nice and easy for you. So take a look here. Cite. I would click here, and all of this information, you can just plug this in to EasyBib, or you can copy and paste it onto your document and put that one in order. Another website that's great is How Stuff Works. You have your article title, an author, date, all this crucial information. And if you scroll down to the bottom, let's take a look. Again, it says citation and date. You would click on this, and it says copy and paste this link, and this can go directly onto your works cited page. I'm going to show you an instance in which the information is not given to you and what you would do to format it onto your document. So here I am in EasyBib, and what I want to find is something called a URL, or the web address. So I'm going to use a generic website. I'm doing research on nuclear energy. And at the very top, this field here is called your web address bar, or your URL. Every URL is unique to each individual page of information, with letters and numbers and other symbols that can get you directly to that page. EasyBib is asking for that information. I'm going to click once, right-click, copy, go back to EasyBib, and I'm going to paste this information into the field. I'm going to confirm this is the information that I'm looking for. Same thing. And then I'm going to click on Cited. All right. Looking down a little bit, it says website search results here. Nuclear Energy Explained, Your Guide to Understanding Energy. I'm going to go up here, and it says Your Guide to Understanding Energy, Nuclear Explained. And this is what I'm looking for, so I'm going to click Cite This. Alrighty, next page. It's really important that you understand that this site is looking to help you, and you need to read what it's telling you. It says here, here's what we found for you. And you have information where it says the title and the date access. The date access is important. This tells you what date you actually got the information, which is crucial for your teacher to know that if information changes on this date, that's what the information said. But underneath it says, here's what we need your help with. So it needs a lot of information that you've got to go back and forth to get. So I am going to click on the orange button, continue to the final step, where it gives me fields that I will enter by looking at the article on the website and just plug them in. So it wants the article title. So I'm going to click here, and it says here, Nuclear Explained. I can copy and paste it, or I can simply write Nuclear Explained in my article title. Now, you see how it has an orange field here? That means that it wants me to fill it in. So I'm going to go back, look at my article, and see if I can find an author's name. So I'm going to go down slowly and look for a name. I don't see anything. No name. But I do see information that says last updated. I'm going to remember August 31st, 2017, and go back here. So I'm going to leave this because it doesn't give me an author. That's okay as long as I looked. But then down here it says electronically published. Ah, that must be what they're talking about. The last updated August 31st, 2017. So I want to write that. Day was 21st. Let me just double check. 31st, sorry. 31st. The month is August 2017. Nice current article. And then, love those orange, click on Create Citation. Here we go. And here is my citation. Beautiful. Looks good. Here I can copy and paste it, but I'm going to scroll down and make it a lot easier. Down here you have your citations that collect as you write them and create them on EasyBib. I see Save for Later, Share, and Export. Export means to send out. So I want this work cited. I'm going to check it. I want to export it to a Google Doc. So I'm going to click on Save to Google Docs. It's going to bring me to an account to choose. And you either have to log in or you have to allow it. It'll say block or allow. So I'm going to signed in. And it's going to upload it to Google Docs. So I'm going to click on Go to Google Docs. And voila. Here's my works cited exactly the way I want it. Now you might have a lot of works cited, so you want to name it. Name it what your teacher would like you to do. Works cited. Some of you are doing garment research. You might call it works cited garment. And then there's a little folder, and this is how you can really start to organize yourself. So you want to click on the folder, and some of you have 6th grade projects, 7th grade projects, or 8th grade projects. Put that file in the folder that your teacher asks you to. You would click on the one that you want it, and then click on Move. When you then go to find that item, it will be in the folder that you put it in. As always, come down to the library and ask Mrs. Morin and I for any questions. You can actually share things with me and leave me a note, and I can help by fixing things and write you a note back. You can also email us and give us a call. Take care, and I'll see you soon.